Alright, the last thing to do, use 3 advanced Google search commands. We're using all in title, all in URL, and at. Pertain to the same topics. So here we go. All in title is one of them. Find blogs that match the content you're writing or looking up. Look like this, all in title, and then boom. All in URL and at. All in URL. So we're looking for terms in the URL, and this address will be up there. And you can just put all in URL, and then the words that you want to appear in there. And at. Restrict your search to social media. So do those 3 things. Come over here. All in the title. And then we search that. Looks like we're getting some scholarly articles like that. Do the same thing. URL, but we can cut this down a little bit. There we go. How does cardiovascular been with the training weightlifting? Circuit training program on muscle strength. Interesting. Okay, cool stuff there. And then you can just do at, and we'll get some social media. Let me see. Do that right. I think it was at Facebook, so we'll do that. At there's some stuff. Social media post about the topic.